fellow traders, Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Tuesday, March the 23rd, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for education purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Pretty good. All right, let's see where we left at the market yesterday. So SPX again, it's kind of an interesting day yesterday. We ground our way up, right, pushing our way up to the upper Bollinger Band here. So it's still green on the monthly chart. Inside week here so far, daily chart, right, we had a nice candle right here over the ADMA, but low volume, and our wave count is actually looking like it's probably going to play out here today. We'll see. Impulsive wave up here, ending diagonal, wave 5. Impulsive move down, right, implying that we have a zigzag correction. ABC up, right to the 618. And looks like the market's going to be gapping down here this morning, but we'll see. You never know. It could open up green, right, with the pre-market activity and just the way the market is. So plunge protection team stuff. But if we do see some impulsive action, we may see some faster moves today than yesterday's kind of grindy day. So we'll see how that goes going into today. So look for a potential wave C down over the next couple sessions, and we'll see where we go from there. Otherwise, keeps building its way up. Well, I mean, I guess that was it. That was the ABC down. Let's just go, right? So we'll see how that goes there. Let's take a look at this buy here this morning. So we got a couple levels that were of interest, right? So we've got this big triangle that we're looking at right here going into today. So if we lose this geometric line, watch out. We might test the lows from the Friday lows. So definitely something to keep an eye on here for this buy. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, some fresh overnight lows here. So we just got this here this morning on this last push down. I got a little bit of a bounce off of this. So 39.0825. 39.0825. The fresh overnight lows. So basically we'll see if those hold going into today, but again, same kind of triangular geometric line here on the ES. If we lose that and the signal zone below, we got some clear air below there, so just a little bit of caution on that one. If the bulls really want to show their strength today, they got to really get into here and start building right over yesterday's high. So those are kind of the big things that we're looking at here today. Again, same stuff here on the MES, right? We just need to check this geometric line and see how it holds going into today here. Okay, so see how those are going to do. Again, a loss to this could start to see those lows from last week or potentially from over the weekend. So good stuff there. Let's say the Qs this morning and see how they're looking here. So Qs again looking a little bit sideways, head and shoulderish. So a little bit of caution here off of this geometric line. The small caps this morning, barely hanging on to the bottom of this channel, right? So they were looking pretty weak here this morning. Again, they may just be retesting and working their way down. Keep an eye on them. Also the XLF, right? Kind of a blah day yesterday. Really interesting to see the market kind of drift its way up and the bank's still kind of weak, right? The financial's still kind of weak. We're at old geometric support right here, bow and arrow support. So look to see if this holds. If it breaks down here too, I mean, this could still start to weigh really heavy on the market. So a little bit of caution there. Let's take a look at Apple here this morning. Again, gapping down here, but trying to grind its way up. Tesla's about flat this morning, so we'll see how that holds here going into the open as well. Could be an interesting one. I had a rough down day yesterday, but we'll see how that holds here going into today's session. It could be an interesting one all week this week. Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.